Hi guys, I just wanted to take a minute today to show you guys our new sticker drop for the month of June. As you guys know, we do release a digital kit every single month, and this month is absolutely beautiful. It is called Rosewood Estate, and it is so gorgeous. So many fun, bright pops of pink, red, and deep greens. It's just super gorgeous. And we offer this kit in two ways, so you can just buy it separately on Etsy, or you can get it in the form of a monthly Kit Club subscription, and I'll link all of that in the description of this video. But today the main focus is showing you the matching stickers. We do a set of 10 of stickers for you guys if you like physical products and if you like stickers, which I personally love stickers. I think it is so much fun to mix it up, and I literally love stickers so much. So each set comes with 5 unique designs, and then as well it comes with 2 of each design. So first and foremost, we have these really cute flowers, this postage collection, and there are so many stickers. They're 5x7 sheets. These are the best. I know they look very simple and they're not as bright and colorful as the other ones, but these are honestly my most used stickers, is just to use them as backgrounds. And for example, I'll show you, I made a little collage here with some stickers, and these just work so good for like layering. Then we have these really bright and colorful strawberries, which are just so much fun. And lastly, these bird stickers, which are so cute. And then there's some flowers as well. I'll show you. I made a little collage with some of the flowers. They're just so much fun. And the collages are just something I like to do. I love to just lay the stickers down on paper and create collages. It's just kind of my go-to thing. I don't know, I love it. You can just put them plain on paper. You can put them in your journals. You don't even have to have the digital kit to use these. They're just fun. So they'll only be available for a short amount of time. I don't know, last time they sold out fairly quick, but I ordered a lot, so hopefully they don't sell out as quick. And I will link the stickers in the description of this video for you guys to go check out if you are interested. It is free shipping in the US, and it is just a lot of fun. Here's one last look at them. 10 sheets total. Really fun colors and so cute. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you get a chance to check out some of our other tutorials this month. We have some really fun ones coming, and we're excited to do that with you guys. You guys are the best. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you next time.